WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange has walked free from the U.S. court after pleading guilty in a deal to end a years-long legal battle. Assange's plane took off from Canberra shortly after the 52-year-old walked out of the court in the U.S. Pacific Territory, having admitted a single count of conspiracy to obtain and disclose classified U.S. national defense documents. Assange also was pursued by U.S. prosecutors for leaking a vast amount of secret military information and had faced a long sentence in a high-security prison. Last week, he signed a deal with the U.S. that would see him plead guilty to one espionage charge instead of the 18 he was originally facing. He left the UK on Monday after spending 5 years in prisons there fighting extradition to U.S. Before that, he spent 7 years in Ecuadorian embassy.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।